Lying in Longshan County, Guangxi, PRC, Dazhai Village is a globally important agricultural heritage site, an ecological demonstration village, and a key tourism village of China. Here is the home of terraced fields and the residing area for Red Yao minority group. The terraced fields lie on the ridges of the hills, looking like they are floating half in the sky. Here, man and nature have coexisted in harmony for thousands of years. Annually, millions of tourists traveled here to enjoy the life and beauty of the village and its culture. The village has introduced 5G technology, which helps promote digitalized innovation and development of cultural and tourism industry, enforcing the brand of home to the world's terraced fields to continuously refresh its vitality. Dazhai Village sticks to green development and adheres to protection and inheritance of cultural heritage. Its poverty alleviation experience based on tourism was chosen as tourism-driven poverty elimination cases of World Tourism Federation. In the future, Dazhai Village will continue to rely on its elegant natural scenery and unique folk features, and give further play to its leading role in promoting local economic development and bringing greater benefit to the people.